Preface. In this volume, you will find the proceedings of the Haptics 2022 conference, held during May 22 to 24, 2022, in Hamburg, Germany. Haptics is a major international conference, organized every 2 years, that features the latest advances in haptics science, technology, and applications. This year's proceedings are open access. We follow the example given by the Haptics 2020 team in Leiden and hope that future organizers will decide to do the same. Organizing a conference of this size and international impact is always special and unique, but our conference in particular faced many challenges due to the circumstances. When Hamburg applied to host the event in 2020, we all assumed that the COVID-19 pandemic would be over by 2022. So, we originally planned optimistically for an on-site conference with global participation. However, the virus proved to be more persistent than expected, so we had to plan 3 versions of the conference in parallel: an on-site conference, a hybrid conference, and a virtual conference. Fortunately, the situation stabilized such that, with some reassurance from the scientific community, we were able to decide on an on-site conference. However, just as decisions were being made, geopolitical challenges arose from Russia's war in Ukraine. Since this scientific community is traditionally more interested in interaction than in exclusion and separation, we again decided to keep open the opportunity for scientific cross-cultural exchanges. At the time of submitting this conference volume to production, more than 180 participants have confirmed their attendance, and a conference program has been designed with more than 140 papers ranging from oral presentations and posters to numerous hands-on demonstrations. More than 350 co-authors submitted their contributions to the conference. In these uncertain times and after almost 2 years of the COVID-19 pandemic, the long paper category was comparatively small, with 65 papers, 36 of which were accepted for publication, yielding an acceptance rate of 55%. Impressively, 62 work in progress, WIP, short papers were submitted, of which 51 were accepted for inclusion in the conference, yielding an acceptance rate of 82%. In addition, we received 39 submissions for hands-on demonstrations and several industry exhibitors at the conference. We are excited to see how our scientific communication will evolve in the coming years, what will remain and what will revert to earlier times. The entire evaluation and peer review process could not have been accomplished without the enthusiastic help of our haptics research community. In addition to the editorial board, 39 associate editors and 140 reviewers invested their time to provide valuable input to the organizers and authors. We are grateful for everyone's help, especially with so many things happening around us. Haptics research is a growing community. There is no conference or journal on robotics, actuators, psychology, neurology, or human-computer interaction without at least a few papers related to our research area. This proliferation can be seen as a threat to general haptics conferences. However, we see it as an opportunity, since there are no conferences like Haptics where technology, psychology, neuroscience, and applications coexist on an equal footing in a single-track event that promotes true interdisciplinary exchange. We are grateful to have been able to contribute to the progress of this community with a great team of editors and reviewers. April 2022. Thorsten A. Kern, Hosti Sci-Fi, Astrid M. L. Kappers, Oliver Schneider, Knud Druing, Claudio Pacchierotti, Alireza Abasimashai, Hayes Husman,